Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to eject a pen drive on your PC or an external device which is connected to your computer. Now, it's very easy to do. This is my pen drive here. There are only two ways to eject this. Now, to do this, it's very easy and simple. So on the drive here, just right click on it and click on eject, which it will tell us that our drive is being ejected. Now if I unplug it, you can hear the sound. Now plug it once again and we have the drive here. Now the other way to eject it is just go to the text bar here. You see this USB logo here. Just right click on it and then we have eject USB mass storage. So if there are other devices which are connected, you see them listed here. So you just eject the one which is preferable to you, that you want to eject. So just click on, when you right click on this, so just click on eject mass storage and then voila, the drive is being ejected. So that is how to simply eject a pen drive or any external devices which are connected to your PC, either pen drive, hard drive, external hard drive, anything which is connected external to your PC USB ports. So that is how to eject any devices which are connected to your PC. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and see you on our next video. Peace out.